This 2026 NuCamp TAB 400 Black Canyon is a teardrop trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, spare tire kit, microwave, LP detector, self-contained, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this teardrop trailer features front dinette, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp TAB 400 Black Canyon is 2,885 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.